Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to transfer money to other players in GTA 5 Online 2025, a quick and easy method you can use right now. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. To start, bring up the interaction menu. If you're on console, just hold down the touchpad. For PC players, press and hold the M key. This will open the menu on the left side of your screen. Next, scroll down and go to Inventory. Once inside the Inventory submenu, navigate down and select Cash, then choose the Share Cash from Last Job option. Now you'll see a list of players from your last job or activity. Highlight the player you want to give money to, then use the navigation keys to adjust the amount or percentage you want to share. Once you're done, just hit Accept to complete the transfer. And that's it. That's how you can give money to other players in GTA 5 Online quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more GTA tips and tricks. Press the notification button and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.